Alright, so today we have an oddity, and I'm hoping that maybe somebody could get some ideas of what to do with a Harbor Freight engine and an old garden tractor. At the moment, I do not know what brand this garden tractor is. I didn't find any information on the outside of it telling me. If I figure it out before I post this video, I'll put the description of the tractor below. But as you see, here's an old garden tractor with very large wheels on the back, and it was repowered by a Harbor Freight Predator 212 engine. And you can see that mounting plate was welded in place to support the engine. This particular tractor, yeah, everything's been pulled out of the dash. There's no controls, there's no nothing. There is a shift pattern down there. We got low speed transmission, high and low. Don't know if that works. But anyway, the fellow who owns it loves this thing. He says he uses it to drag a wagon around the yard and get all kinds of yard work done. This is what it looks like on the power side of it. We've got the drive belt up over an idler pulley and into the back there somewhere. So anyway, the reason for this video is just to show you what you can do with an old garden tractor that maybe you still want to play with and use around the yard. And these engines are pretty inexpensive if you need to replace it or get parts for it. Well, that one is a Hemi. I can tell by the valve cover being kind of an aluminum alloy. But there we go. If you know what kind of tractor this is, go ahead and leave a comment below, and hopefully this gives you some ideas. Alright, thanks for watching.